Hello, I am Benny. Can you finish this sentence? The dog, blank, the ball. Pause and think. Every sentence has 3 parts: subject, verb, object. Subject is who. Verb is the action. Object is what. Remember, SVO. The answer is chases. The dog chases the ball. The dog is the subject, chases is the verb. The ball is the object. Did you get it right? Let's try another one. The cat drinks milk. The cat, subject, drinks, verb, milk. Object. One more. The boy kicks the ball. The boy, subject. Kicks, verb, the ball, object. Easy. Now your turn. The girl, blank, the flower. What is the verb? Type your answer in the comments right now. The answer is picks. The girl picks the flower. Amazing! You are doing so well. Remember: subject, verb, object. Who, action. What? Try making your own sentence today. Save this video for your next lesson. Great work! See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.